All right, well, welcome to part 3. Yes, exactly. That is the one that got overlooked this morning because of all the excitement of this. That, that's gonna be expensive. All right. So of course, over there is the singing pond. Hi, beautiful. Are you hungry? Let's get you some breakfast, shall we? Oh, he got some standing water. So we got in here. There we go. Oh. Oh, who's excited? Who's an excited girl? Oh, what does that mean? Is that an approval or a disapproval? So what do we got here? Give me a couple of treats. Get one of these. Good girl. A couple of these. A couple of these. A couple of these. Try and play with it. Search for it. Okay. So, you happy? Are you happy now? Are you happy? Love you. Alright. So we're done there. I think we're done here. Oh, I'm sweating. What are you guys doing? Coming out of those bushes. Alright, let's go out and check out the frogs, shall we? Yeah. Alright, so I'll show that in another video. Love you later, bye.